welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, I'd love if you would do so. So today's video is going to be all about how I edit my thumbnails on my phone. We are screen recording the phone. I'm going to move over here so you guys can see my screen and what I am seeing. So first thing we're going to do is go into the Photos app, and I already airdropped the photos that I screenshotted on my computer, on my MacBook. I screenshotted them and then I send them to my phone, which is one of the great things about having a Mac, is that you can do things like that. So I am going to be editing the Kindle one. So first we're going to go to edit, and I like to auto it and crop it a little bit, just to crop it a little bit. Not too much, but that's good. And then if we need a different filter, ooh, I like that filter. Sometimes I like to change up the filters in here. Is it warm? So that's good. So that's going to be saved as that. So then I'm going to search for VSCO. Add, import, edit, all presets. We're going to go to this little tab here. It has like a circle, and it's like my previous presets, which is normally what I use for my photos, which I really like. And then we're just going to do maybe some exposure and make it a little darker. Sometimes we fix it up, sharpen it a little bit more, clarity a little more, not too much more. And I think it looks pretty good. So that's really all I do. I have a preset set for my photos. So that's really all I do for editing my photos. Then we're going to go to next, save to camera roll. Okay. So now we're going to search for Phonto. And then I actually have a thing called projects, that I save a previous project exactly what I want, so I know what to do. So here's an old photo project. This was my iPhone 12 accessory. So we're going to remove the photo, move the text, and the image. Go to the little three dots, click add image, click on the image, done. Then you're going to size it to fit. Right, size it a little bit less. And you have to fix it. That looks pretty good. It's not too. Sometimes it looks a little what does it call it? Bigger, but that's because of the way I size it. It might look like that. Now I'm gonna go to my text. I'll tell you guys what font I use. I use the Bitter Bold font in Phonto, and I'm just gonna put Kindle unboxing. Let's make that a capital U. Unboxing, and then we're gonna do this one and setup. So that will be right there, and that will be right there. That looks pretty good. I think that will be like that. So I'm going to tell you guys what I have. So I use the font Bitter Bold, and then I go to Style, Stroke, and the width, and I click on black, and the width is about 9. And then I do spacing, the letter is 5. And then I'm going to do a shadow, which is the third shadow, and put that on and make it a little bigger. And then we're going to do the same thing for the setup word. Also have a curve, so the top curve is 4 plus 4, and the bottom curve is -4. And then we're just going to save it to the phone. And that's really all I do for my thumbnails. It's honestly not too crazy. That is all I do to make my thumbnails here on my iPhone. You can do it on your iPad, your tablet, your iPad, your tablet, or your other type of smartphone, as long as you have the app Phonto. Lately, I've been doing this way for my thumbnail. I just think it is very simple and easy to do, and honestly, I like it. I'm finally liking a thumbnail that is easy to do and that I can just keep repeating. It looks nice and the words are big, so yeah. So yeah, so that is all. If you guys want like an updated video in the future, definitely let me know. If I change my thumbnail, I'll definitely do an updated video for you guys, so definitely let me know. And I will leave the link for the app for iOS and Android down below, so you definitely go check them out. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video if you guys liked it, if it helped you at all for basic thumbnail tips. And that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.